красота?
Да, они очень красивые. Вот прям на них и хочется лечь.
Чудные цветочки, да? Денис Ильич, красота.
Да. Пойдем там.
Что там, расскажи.
Я хочу найти самый распущенный цветочек и понюхать его, когда не будет ветра.
Окей.
Вот там. Смотри.
Точно, да. Ложись, понюхай его.
Ой. Понюхай его, он очень вкусно пахнет.
Давай.
Я спущусь, ничего.
Ну что, порядок.
Status in Korea, all but one with the F-86. Stephen lives in Newport Beach, California with his wife Karen, where they raised their two children, Stephen and Amanda.
Today, during the show, Rob will be experiencing more than 12.5 positive G's shoving him into the cockpit and upwards of 9 G's times his weight trying to throw him out of the airplane. Groundbreaking maneuvers. There's a half roll to the right, a double roll to the left, and and a double shoulder roll. Let's take a ride on the Cardiac Express. We like to call it the slide winder. How about Rob just hanging that MXS off the whirlwind for color? You're proud to partner with the Stratus. Now don't take your eyes off Rob. This next maneuver is the Cobra. How about that, ladies and gentlemen? What do you think of Rob so far? Now, more than 9 times his body weight slamming into the cockpit, Rob continues in the vertical with a series of rolls to set up for the rolling spin. Another Rob Holland original. It's one of his favorites. This is the Inside Tumble. How about that? Rob Holland has won championships on both the national and international level. He is the 6-time defending national aerobatic champion, a 7-time U.S. freestyle super aviation, sunglasses, and of course, the Max aircraft. If you'd like to share your pictures and experiences from the show, please follow us on Facebook at or on Twitter or Instagram at Rob Holland with 150.